Ohayo. Ohayo. Everybody still sleepy. They wake up like 4 a.m. That's why they're sleepy. But Baba was sleeping. Baba sleeping. Ate is malay chukuani. Malay chukuani. So today is their writing ceremony, and yeah, we are going to dance. It's so hot today. Miss Baba and Ate Nakoy, makagatabi ng kitlin. Sing barbecue. Ilan yung pili mo ko? John. Doy, kudugon, mabilikan ano eh. Gani kaya ako, mabalikod din rin yung upay ko. Singko na kaya. Parira na din, matagin mo. Oh yeah. Look at my face. This is my face today. It's so freaking hot. Yeah. We had lunch already, and yeah. We're finished and it's so hot. Oh, feels so good, Ate. Wow, Ate is still eating popcorn. Oh God, it's so hot. And I look so haggard. Dagan siya kayo. It's a Sunday today, by the way.
Parkingan diri, asa ka sa mauli ni okay. Pila ko masuda ni unom ro dili ma.
Taman dito ay sa likod nagpark po dito. Oh, diri o kilid mo so dira dito. Nandito po sa katong may katong kilid kayo katong nigdiha no mo right ka diri.
Oh diri?
Oh, musod dito. It's so hot. And we're waiting for Baba and Anma because yeah, Baba's coming. It's so hot. See you later, guys, when we get home. It is so quiet. It's just me and Sashi. Everybody's upstairs. Baba and Rookie, mother and father. And I think we will be watching movie later. Like, I don't know. Yeah, maybe we will be watching movie. And I felt so good because I slept. Yeah, we wake up like 4 a.m. today and we were so tired, but we had fun from the activity at school. Yeah, there's a lot of food. A lot of food. But it's so hot outside. That's why it's so draining. I just wish that it was a little cloudy. But it was so hot. The sun was so bright, and yeah. The kids were so they were out in the sun. Kawaisu na. Because they are performing today. They had a dance. Dance. Kawaisu ne. Because it's so hot. But I think the kids enjoyed because it doesn't matter to them if it's raining or it is very very hot, or if the sun is so high. It doesn't matter to them as long as they had fun. Yeah, that's what matters to them, you know. Di ba, Dai, no? They just want to kiat like that. Ati likes to kiat. Yeah. Oh, I look so haggard. I'm so tired and my head aches so bad. Yeah. And I will be cooking pancit canton. Lucky me, pancit canton, because they requested pancit canton. Yeah. So I think I will be. This is the fries. This is going to be the first one that I'm cooking. But since we don't have cooking oil, that's why. Yeah, we still have, but there's not enough cooking oil. So I just decided, I asked them if we could have, they could eat pancit canton. So they said yes. So I'm gonna cook pancit canton. This is our water today, guys. Today is Sunday and we usually have this problem. Oh, NCWD, kumusta naman yung water supply? Hey guys, so my pancit canton is done, and yeah, I think they will be eating now. The kids will be eating now, and I'm so tired. I think we'll be watching a movie, and I need to say goodnight now because I wanted to relax, because I was up like 4 this morning, so I just wanted to chill and relax together with everybody. So yeah, pancit canton, and I hope everybody had a wonderful day today, and may God bless us all. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I hope to see you on my next video, guys, and I love you always.